Welcome to our quick guide on how to mark a chat as read on WhatsApp web on PC with the latest update. If you've ever missed a message and want to tidy your chat list, this simple trick will save you time and keep your conversations organized. First, open WhatsApp web in your computer's browser and sign in if needed. You'll see all your chats listed on the left side of the screen. This update makes it even easier to manage your inbox without digging through each chat. Next, locate the chat you want to mark as read. It can be a chat that you've seen but want to confirm as read, or a thread you'd like to clear from your unread badge. Scroll through your list until you spot the conversation. Now, right-click on that chat. A small context menu will appear with several options. The exact wording can vary a little depending on your browser, but you're looking for the option that says Mark as Read. It's usually near the bottom of the menu. Click on Mark as Read. WhatsApp web will instantly update the chat and the unread dot or badge on that conversation will disappear. This action signals to WhatsApp that you've acknowledged the messages in that chat, helping you stay organized and focused on what matters next. If you're marking multiple conversations, you can repeat the same steps for each chat. There isn't a built-in bulk mark as read button in some updates, so you'll need to apply the action chat by chat. However, taking a minute to clear a few conversations can make your main chat list much cleaner and easier to navigate. A little tip, consider using keyboard shortcuts or browser bookmarks to speed up your workflow in the future. While WhatsApp web's core features are consistent, keeping your most used chats easily accessible can reduce how often you need to perform this action. That's all there is to it. With this simple huddle right-click method, you can quickly mark any chat as read on WhatsApp web, keeping your PC experience smooth and your notifications under control.